Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you this pastel-y pinky look I created with the Douce palette by Juvias Place. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't already. And now let's hop right into the tutorial. I'm starting with the color Cream on a Sigma E25 brush and I'm blending this color into my crease. This is a beautiful shade, it's a very bright peachy color. Next I'm going in with the color Custard on the Morphe M506 brush and I'm applying this color to my outer corner and I'm also blending it a bit into my crease. Then I'm going back in with the first color on the Sigma E25 brush and I'm blending over the edges. Next I'm going in with the color Puffs on a Sigma E58 brush and I'm applying it to the inner part of my mobile lid. Now I'm taking a bit more of Custard and I'm blending over the edges. Then I'm going in with Cream and I'm also blending over the edges. Now I'm taking the color Custard on a Morphe E36 pencil brush and I'm softly blending this color onto my lower lash line. Then I'm going back in with the first color and I'm blending over the edges. Now for my inner corner and for my brow bone, I'm taking the color Puffs on a Morphe M213 brush. Now for my waterline, I'm taking a nude eyeliner. And I didn't want to apply a pink or a peach there because I wanted to have a little bit more of a contrast. Now I'm going to apply some mascara off camera and I'll be right back. Now here you can see the finished look. I really hope that you like it. It's a very soft and easy look. It's what I like to wear every day. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like button. And tell me in the comments down below, do you like more softer looks or do you go for more dramatic ones? Because I like both, but I noticed that I like to do more of the softer looks for my channel because I also wear them more in my real life. But if you want to see more dramatic looks, then let me know down below and then I can do more looks like this on my channel. And please make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching and have an amazing day.